But you're a strong man. So where is it gonna go?
Way up at the top.
Whoa.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
So guys, we made the sacrifice and got irrigation some time ago. Daddy's just seeing it fit now. Oh, by the way, these are the cucumbers. If you watched the video of him setting up the cucumbers the other day, these are them. That they look so beautiful. I'm always just seeing these things with you guys, by the way. Oh, they're looking wonderful. Look at these little baby leaves. So these are the cucumbers. We still can get orange from this tree, Sky.
Yeah, soon.
We'll soon get orange. So these are the cucumbers.
There's a big one over here.
Very nice. Oh, there's a big one over there?
Yeah.
Nice. Alright, but this is what I came to show you. That Daddy's 69, so to set up the irrigation he was like, nope, he's not gonna take it on. And so he hired somebody. I don't know how much land this is, maybe quarter acre. I think this may be quarter acre. He got somebody to do the irrigation. I was so busy I couldn't come out here and show you the action, and they are digging holes for whatever he's going to plant. I think he said he's going to do his bell peppers. If you watched the previous video with his nursery, you would see, or well, it's not before this then, you will see that he has a nursery with bell peppers. So we're irrigating all of this place, and they've been here all morning from about 6 o'clock. Those men came, so you know it's a lot of work. You can go down, Sky. I am hot, but I am not tired. There's a citrus. I don't know which citrus. You know, that may not be a citrus. That may not say anything. Shion would know what that is. So here they have the pipes, and they have attached to the irrigation, and they've used sticks, and it goes all the way down there, right? This is whatever they're going to need for their pump, and I don't know, but yeah. So I'm very happy about this. I'm super happy, because sometimes Daddy is complaining about not having enough water and all of that. So at least this little portion, which I believe is a quarter acre, maybe less than, has irrigation. Take your time, baby. Okay, come. What happened? What happened to you? Because that's not your slippers. You should have worn your slippers. Why do you like to wear my shoes, Sky? Huh? No, I can't lift you up. Those dirty feet are going to dirty me up, and we're ready to go somewhere. Just take your time and walk, baby. I'm right here. I'm not going away, leave you. Give me a hand. Thank you. Alright. Relax, relax. So, you see, they're using the hoe to dig the holes, and now I'm supposed to show you them taking the drum around, which is a 1,000 gallon, yes, drum, so yes guys, I am so happy about this. I have slaved for this irrigation, and now it's finally coming in. It's so nice to see your hard work and what you have invested in actually coming to fruition. Imagine when there are actually seeds here that will be growing and producing. There'll be plants here that will be growing and producing. And you know what's gonna happen? I'm not gonna need to water Daddy says I plant things that I can't eat. Yeah, I'm not gonna need to water these because the irrigation is going to be watering them for me, even though it's right there. Well, because it's right there, right? So I hope you can see this. But this is the new update of what is going on our farm right now. Let me take you to what's going on with the drum that they're gonna take up here. Whoa, I will put water. Yeah, I forgot to put the other one there, Daddy.
It's a leaf.
It's a leaf? You not have nothing else, don't you?
Take it right now. And then see.
Put a black and white, Papa.
See one little one there? It's a big one they're gonna put?
Overflowing.
Yeah, it's gonna overflow. We don't have anything else to catch this water. Hate to see water waste, but what to do? Okay. Trying to empty out this drum.
I want the water winning.
No, man.
Get on there.
What do you mean one drum? What do you mean one drum? Cucumbers. Back to the cucumbers. They're beautiful, guys. Beautifully coming along. Wow, just now this tree got demolished in burial. Let me see if I can lighten this a little bit for you. Yes, this tree got demolished in burial, and I don't know if you know my hogberry tree. I'm gonna try and insert a video of my hogberry tree. That is what is left of the hogberry tree, guys. Sorry, but this tree got demolished and it's just flourishing. Something like that is a logwood or something. I don't know. I'll ask him what that is. But yeah, this is what's going on currently on the farm. Irrigation up there. Well, irrigation for sweet peppers up there, and here we will have the cucumbers that are coming right along. You can see them go all the way down there. Beautiful. How you sleep when you pay no bills. It's a run out from yesterday. You think of from morning? From yesterday this water running out. Not before yesterday I ran it over, Daddy, from about Thursday.
You know, let me say I want to water this.
You're right, you're right. You are right. It's about a drum of water. Meaning about that. And we filled all the drums. That drum and some other drums around the place. Oh, there's another drum. I don't know if you can see it because I'm so short. There's another drum over there. Right? Another drum over there.
This is to you. Get back to you.
Se for fora. They say you never say it light, not true.
It is light. Inside the house, Mommy.
We are testing weight tight for. You hold the rock lah?
No, I'm not hold it yet. That's why it feels so light to you. But you're not strong, man. You're not strong.
Yeah, come. Go on, man. What cheese you have there?
No, man.
He can see it.
Yeah, better hold than you.
Yeah, you have a better hold than he does. It's true. Cause you have them two big plates there. If you want to stop and rest a little. If you want to stop and rest a little, you can, you know. These drums, that you look at them and you think it's plastic and they can just be lifted, but they can't. Yeah, man. You have it at a bad angle. You have it at where he has it. He has very good grip around here because he has many different places he can hold it. But you only have one under the bottom where all the weight is going to go on your hand.
Eh?
Where are you gonna put it, Daddy?
I did have to think about it. The carry. Only for a bit of region.
So where is it gonna go?
Way up at the top.
Whoa!
Can't go that one. When they're ready, you up on it. Hold it back. Work, then you see me. You ready? Yeah.
Careful, guys. Oh, the hole? Oh, no, above the block, man. No, stay right there. Stay right there, Sky Baby Girl. Woo! Good job, guys. It's a lot of work. So far, this is the hardest part, not true? Oh, you want a block so it doesn't roll. Hold it, Papa G. Let me help you hold it.
And then you tap wood big up on it.
And that's inside the jar. You holding it? Oh, look, you put up the block. Oh, I gotta leave it. So then, how we're not gonna attach it now? To. I want something to put it there and connect it. Okay. So. So where over the sail go? Oh. So he's gonna put it on the board? Where did they go with board? Because it's lean. Tomatoes. You think so?
We tell you. That's so young.
What's the one block there? I'm far. Put that one there on at the back. No, see one there? Right there. You can put that one there on the back. That will balance out. Not true. There ain't no more than the one there. Where's Tyrone?
He said the same use that they cook
Tyrone. Okay, yes, I know what you're talking. It weed work for us. Okay.
Fuck, say another two before, nothing. Yeah, man, that one. Yeah, that one, two before.
Papa G has called Mama G for help. See her there? She's helping him. It's all a teamwork effort. I tell you. They say you're not gonna manage everybody, Papa G. Mama G, they still call you out to work. So be careful with those nails. No, run at the back yet already? You're speaking about run the back? And then you'll know. Let's test it.
Ready?
Remember, so the peg is there, just so want to be careful. And the board with your foot, please.
Spin it up, same time. Yeah? Spin it up.
Can you put up the gas?
Daddy, I would demand them do all the time and every day. Oh. But it looks good. Then anything else needs to happen to that? What? So you carry the 2 block and you lean it over and you put the 2 block. Daddy going for the 2 blocks. You think it's leaning over too much to that side? Daddy said the blocks will hold, so I'm going for the blocks. Where you going now, for that block? Oh. Okay, the dirt. Yeah, the block not gonna hold on there, daddy.
No man, you have to go change that. Yeah, I'm going to
Oh, you're going to put the block right there, so. That is it. That is it. As we have irrigation, something is missing from the thing, so from the connection to the drum. So he's going to come back another day. But basically, I'll come and show it to you when he does decide to come back. Or I won't be here more than likely, but I'll come and show it to you. Pray for us, guys, as we continue this country living journey. Try to please God and try to become self-sustainable, especially as it relates to irrigation right now with food.